Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pins inspired by your recent activity on your account, on Pinterest, on email notification settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, and now click settings, now click notifications, and now click by email, and here you will find it, pins inspired by your recent activity. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.